Hi guys, in this video let me quickly teach you how can you add admin on Facebook page using your mobile. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to be able to use this guys, we have to make sure that we are updated to the latest version of Facebook. Just search for Facebook here. And as you can see, I have mine on the latest version. Open that and you will be redirected here, and make sure you have switch to your page. And once you've made sure that you are updated, then you can do this method. So go ahead and, like I said, go to your and switch to your Facebook page. So go over to the settings here, the gear icon, and go over to page settings, and go over until you see page access here at the bottom under new pages experience. And as you can see, it will bring you three options: people with Facebook access, people with task access, and business accounts with access. So people with task access are basically like moderators, and people with Facebook access are basically like admins. So if you want to add admins here, you have to add new. Next, and you have to search that particular person by name or email. So if you want to go ahead and add them to your admins, you just have to go ahead and, for example, we want to add this person, Mark Zuckerberg, and in here you have the option to give them the admin access, and you can also have the option to allow this person to also have full control. But be careful with this one guys, allow this person to also have full control, because it will allow that particular person to remove anyone from the page, including you, so they have the potential to steal your page. So be careful with that guys, and all you have to do is give access once you are done deciding, and it will send them a notification to confirm that they want to go ahead and be an admin on that particular page. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can quickly add admins on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.